I hope you guys can hear me right now, but look at these new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blushes. I feel like I want to test out the texture. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna squish it with this sampler. Ooh. Oh yeah. It is so squishy. That's cute. I'm gonna try this. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, I just tried on Truth. And I really love this. This is so pretty. It's a little less purpley than I thought it would be, but I really still like it. We have Hope, Happy, Worth, Truth, Thriving, Alive, and Grateful. Okay, Jelly Lip Kit. This is fun. I like that they did this. $34. Ooh. Yes, and look, guys, check this out. Milk Makeup just came out with these jelly skincare sticks. It's literally just like their jelly blushes, but it's skincare for your whole face. What's the difference? Okay, we have Cooling Water and Watermelon Glow, each $29. Only at Sephora. Interesting. If you guys are liking these jelly products, Milk just came out with a new one. I didn't even really come here with like a list of things that I want to get, so I'm actually just looking at all the new releases that I can find, or at least things that are new to me. Okay, so of course Sol de Janeiro has some new scents for the summer. We have Dreamy and Bright Flor Mystica, Fresh and Crisp Agua Mystica, and then Sparkling and Rich Danza Mystica, or is it Danca Mystica? I'm not sure. You guys let me know in the comments, but I have to scent test all of these because I'm just curious. Okay, Flora Mystica smells good, but also like a crayon. I don't know why, but it does. What the? Okay, Agua. This one better be fresh, like it says. Yeah, I like this one. I see like a mandarin on the picture, and I kind of get that. I like it. This one's sweet. It smells like melons a little bit. Honestly, I can't decide whether I like this one or this one more, but these two are definitely better than this, even though this is so cute and pink. Okay, Glow Recipe Berry Blush. They have makeup now? Hold on, this is a whole new thing. And it looks like such a pretty shade that would go with anyone's skin tone. Aw, wait, I love this. Berry Flush. Wait a minute. Not them clocking me, it's a flush, not a blush. Okay, powered by 100% skincare. So not only are you getting a cute makeup look in, but there's skincare in it. Oh wait, this is another shade. So we have a more of a pinky shade, and then a darker one, of course. I always love the darker ones. I just feel like they suit me better, and they're just so cute. So both are nice. A little cheek tint. Wait, I got a tester. The applicator is so much bigger than I thought it would be. Okay, should I test this? Let's see. Wait, I just realized I have nothing to dab this in with. But I guess it doesn't matter. I can already tell this is gonna be so cute. I love this shade. They ate. Guys, what? I literally just tried to blend it in with this beauty blender, and it's like gone. So this is probably something you really have to build up. They did say it's skincare based, so I guess it's supposed to be more skincare than anything. And it's not a blush, it's supposed to be a flush. So it's supposed to be really light, but there's like almost nothing left on my wrist. Well, is it bad I low-key forgot about this release? New Serum Lip Tint by Laneige. And they have like a donut applicator. It's so cute. Hopefully you guys can see. I think I'm gonna open one of the testers and see what it's giving. So what's it smell like? Cinnamon sugar is the scent. Yeah, it's definitely giving cinnamon sugar. Okay, they got strawberry sprinkles, blueberry jelly. So these are actually supposed to be like donut flavors. Sugar glaze, peach glaze, cinnamon sugar, chocolate frosting. Oh yes, have you seen these? These are really cute. It says chocolate frosting, but it smells more like hazelnut chocolate to me. Cute though. Okay, Jesy has a new honey gloss. It's a hair mask. This is such cute packaging. I love it. It's really giving honey. They're so smart with their packaging. They're always so cute. Oh, new lip oils. Hold on. Bellini Peach, Sheer Soft Peach, Raspberry Swirl, a Sheer Cool Pink, and then Glazed Plum, a Sheer Nude Shimmer. This is so cute, guys. I love when they come out with more shades of something that's already popular. Okay, here are the prices for the Jesy hair mask. 22 for the small 75 milliliter, and then 42 for the large 230 milliliter. Anything else new from them? I don't think so. Oh wait, no, I'm lying. Honey infused hair perfume, new mini sizes. Wait, this is so cute. Oh, it's the way their packaging makes me want to buy, even though I know I don't need it. It's just so cute. I love. They have different ones. This one's lavender berry, lavender blackberries, and mirsalehi honey. I hope I said that right. This one is wild rose vanilla, and then the mirsalehi honey as well. This one in the middle is wildflower honey, mirsalehi honey, spring florals, and mandarin. These Pat McGrath cream blushes look so cute. I love the packaging. It's simple but so cute and pink. I'm in the Makeup Forever section, and this says they have a new moisturizing skin tint and a lip gloss. Okay, we gotta check them out. Wait, this is new. I feel like I've seen it before. Unless I'm imagining things. Okay, but it looks like they have some interesting shades. Alright, shade range. Okay. And I love the diversity in the models as well. This looks nice. Super Boost. Moisture boosting skin tint. Yup, you know how skin tints are so popular for hot weather. If you want something light but also has good coverage and looks nice on your skin. Charlotte Tilbury section looking good as always. I don't think she has anything new though. At least I don't. Oh, help. It's literally right in front of my face. That's embarrassing. Help me. New limited edition pillow talk. Oh, okay. So we got a step 1 and step 2 blush. Is that what this is? I think so. They have it in flawless pink and flawless peach. Packaging, I love the heart. Oh, this is so princess coated. And of course, I have to look at every lip product. The applicator for this is a heart. Sorry, the light is like getting in the way, but this is a new Sephora exclusive Pillow Talk lip and cheek tint. Okay, this gives. Like, just based off the photos, it looks like a really good product. Thick, glossy, full coverage lip gloss is what it seems to be. These are also new. Everything here. Big lip plumpgasm. Oh, guys, literally every time I say this, save me from these lip plumping glosses. This is a new shade, Fair. This is cute. I like this one. It's pretty. These ones are really nice too. Hopefully you guys can see better if I stand back a little bit more. I think so. I was literally about to say this Nars makeup line gives so many summer vibes, like a 50s kind of summer in my opinion. And look, it's called New The Hot Escape Collection. Definitely for summer. Afterglow lip oil, $28. And then we have cheek palettes here in different shades. Ooh, I think I like this one the most. Afterglow lip oils. They have 2 shades in this. Laguna and High Life. Patrick Ta has a body cream now? What the? I was about to say, what makeup product is this big, but it's a body cream? This is cute. I like the packaging. Ooh, bronzing body oil, $52. Wait, this looks very luxurious. This is also new, only at Sephora. Leave skin looking plumper. The bouncy and firming serum, $45 for this. Wow, I didn't know Laneige had this. Please, Sol de Janeiro has scent theories now with their new scents. Okay, that's fun.